the creation of marketable new products and processes of converting applications for new technologies into marketable products, basically meaning creating stuff that we can sell. An approach that is taken to come up with ideas is brainstorming. Brainstorming is the process of getting a group to think of unlimited ways to vary a product or solve a problem. I'm a big believer in brainstorming. I think the more people we can get to focus in on a concept or an idea or a problem, and then take away the barriers or boundaries in terms of how to go about solving it, will lead to some really interesting ways of potentially coming up with better solutions that wouldn't be considered otherwise. For example, in developing a commercially viable light bulb, Edison went through over 10,000 prototypes before getting it right. Later, Edison became famous for saying, "I have not failed 10,000 times. I have not failed once. I have succeeded in proving that those 10,000 ways will not work." Basically saying, it doesn't matter how many ideas you came up with which didn't work, you just needed to work once. So next time you're trying to solve a problem, think about potentially brainstorming it with a group of people. You'll get the ridiculous ideas. You'll get the maybe ideas. You'll get some ideas which are just not possible today due to lack of various factors like finances, skill set, time, capability. But the important thing to remember is you just need that one good idea.
A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. A mind map is hierarchical and shows relationships among pieces of the whole. It is often created around a single concept, drawn as an image in the center of a blank page, to which associated representations of ideas such as images, words, and parts of words are added. Major ideas are connected directly to the central concept, and other ideas branch out from those major ideas. Mind maps can also be drawn by hand, either as notes during a lecture, meeting, or planning session, for example, or as higher quality pictures when more time is available. Mind maps are considered to be a type of spider diagram. To draw a mind map, the following 5 steps can be taken. Step 1. Write the title of the subject or project that you're exploring in the center of a page and draw a circle around it. Step 2. Draw lines out from this circle as you think of subheadings of the topic or important facts or tasks that relate to your subject. Label these lines with your subheadings. Step 3. Dive deeper into the subject to uncover the next level of information, related subtopics, tasks, or facts. Then, link these to the relevant subheadings. Step 4. Repeat the process for the next level of facts, tasks, and ideas. Draw lines out from the appropriate headings and label them. Step 5. As you discover new information or think of additional tasks, add them to your mind map in the appropriate places. Mind mapping is a powerful note-taking method. Mind maps not only highlight important facts, but also show the overall structure of a subject and the relative importance of individual parts of it. Mind mapping helps to identify relationships between ideas that have been brainstormed. Like brainstorming, this can be done in teams. Ideas are grouped together under common headings, using lines or arrows to link ideas.